shifting, how other governments are playing their so-called strategic manpower planning. As the workforce is aging in different countries, right, they also need to find people to replace their younger generation of workforce. We are facing the same situation. Alright? So here this is where then from a graduate recruitment, your entry level positions, what kind of profiles are you looking at in your different functional groups? That's what you need to look for. Okay, if you are dry of degree holders, how do you redesign work to take away work that are repetitive, menial, no brain thinking, very SOP type, to RPAs, to generative AI, if you have the money to put into technology. If not, you create other jobs for other people whom you don't